Okay, take a look at this. Look at yesterday's day. We had the sell, or actually, we had a buy. I think that was actually before the 8:32 window. Let me check that again. I'm trying to remember if my system took the sell buy yesterday. Yeah, that was 8:31. So yeah, didn't take the long. Took the short, took the long. So from an automated standpoint, should have been done for the day, going for daily profit objective. But then you can see we had a big fat W pattern. We had a big gigantic W pattern, and then all day long, institutionals pumping this thing, pumping it. So yesterday from that W pattern, one long, two long, three long, get into the overnight session, another long, and then now we finally had our first short. So the entire day in the rally where institutionals are basically pushing it up, just clearing out everything so they can turn around and sell it and distribute into a morning where the market's gapped way up. That's where we're at right now. So, and then now we just had a short. So that was one heck of a day. But I want to show you the quick scalping chart. Uh, Look at that baby from yesterday. That baby was just fantastic yesterday. Let's take a quick look at that. So there was the buy right after the open, a sell, had the W pattern, and then the whole day, the entire day was long the whole day. Then right in the overnight session, a little bit during the Asian session. So we had dot. So yesterday we had dot to dot to dot to dot to dot. Asian session dot to dot, then all the way up to the high this morning, pre-market, and down. Just a brilliant overall, look at things. So that was another chart. I like keep an eye on that. It's been given some really good setup. So not at all surprised this is getting whacked out of the open. This rally is built on absolutely nothing. It's it's games institutionals. When they're actually really, really worried about something, they will have the biggest rally you could ever imagine that doesn't make any sense by design so they can gap the market up and distribute into it. And that's exactly what they did. So anyhow, heck of a day. Let's take some off here. Heck of a day, and we'll see what happens. We'll see how much of it they give up. Like if you see by the end of the day we're down, but we've blown out this pullback pivot, we're down here or lower. That's just more reinforcement. This was a by design pump, so they could just open the market all gapped up, turn around, sell right into it. Typical institutional games, because they have the liquidity. They can juice this thing all overnight session even after they juiced it all day yesterday. Now, during the regular US session hours, they can hit it with 0DT options buying, stock buying, and futures buying. But in the overnight session, they're pumping futures. And then even when the DAX is open in the cash session, they're even pumping DAX a little bit because it helps tow the US futures. It's just a big game they play. I haven't seen us ride the upper side of the bands like that in a long time. And then finally we broke. So it was a heck of a end of day move. And now they sold right into it. No attempt to go back up and make a new high. Just immediately sold right into it. So end of month, scrubby kind of a day. We get into the new beginning of a new quarter. They pump it with liquidity, and then they turn around, use the open to distribute and hit the till or downside. So way over daily goal. I decided to hit that one pretty hard today, and we'll see what we get. But yeah, that was not surprising to me that we sold off out of the open. Okay, so there you have it. Momentum bursts, mom signals all along that after the big beautiful W pattern. So it had you staying long the whole day. and you can't beat that. And then right out of the open, boom, gives you a signal after a huge gap up open, and really, really good opportunity up there. Okay, there you have it. If you have any questions, let us know. So these are the momentum burst signals. We can trade these manual or automated on NT8 Quantower. And as I've been mentioning last few days, the expansion of the program and getting TickBlaze on board, it'll be wondrous being able to operate this on TickBlaze, running it fully automated. So massively looking forward to that. Okay, everybody, have a great trade day, and I'll put up more content a bit later in the day.